Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, February the 17th. We're also going to do our midweek review. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this morning, as the economic reports today are in. We have core retail sales better than expected. Only 1.1% increase was expected. We went way over that at 5.9 and 5.3. A lot of pent-up demand, obviously. Remember, today's FOMC day at 2 p.m., so keep your eyes open for that report. It's really critical to what's happening currently in our economy and so on and so forth. Let's take a look at our daily chart as this market amazingly continues to establish new all-time highs. Our all-time high from our last pre-market forecast was 39.28. We are currently at 39.59.25. One of the things that I wanted you to notice was that from remember, we had this huge retracement, huge activity here during the election time, and a lot of nonsense. Here was the February 1st. Huge bar, huge volume. From that point till this bar here, which was on the 10th, the first 10 days of February, we are up more than 270 points, from 36.56 to well over 39.29, and right now we're sitting at 29.59. So the market has totally recovered from the downturn and some from our pandemic. Our economy is beginning to heat up again. A lot of the states are beginning to reopen their economies. A lot of the COVID states are beginning to see numbers reduce. We had talked about several months ago about what is it going to take to us to see the economy come back, and we talked about first, obviously, the cure obviously was unexpected, but the fact that we have it is fantastic. Also, we have the fact that the COVID, more importantly than anything else, numbers are reducing, and slowly but surely, as this is happening, we're reopening up our schools, reopening up our businesses, and here in Florida, where I live, we've been doing really well for the last 6 months, simply because we took a different approach than most states did. We kind of concentrated on the most at-risk segment of our population, and obviously it's worked out much better than other states. But market obviously don't go up forever, so always keep your eyes open for this 20 SMA, and if you do a Fibonacci from this February low to the current swing all-time high, a 38% retracement would land you right about here. So I'm not predicting that the market is going to go down, but everything that goes up must eventually come down. Now, we had two very big, huge, in reference to the volume. I just want you to keep an eye on this. We had talked about how the volume was incrementally just decreasing, and we have several days above that average. So our average is up to 1.1 million again. Our ATR is strong at 50%, but see how we broke above this mean here of market reducing volume, but you notice that everything's happening to the downside. Again, remember, whenever it's an adage in Wall Street, we go up the escalator, we come down. We go up the elevator, we go down and up in the elevator, up the stairs, down the elevator. That's what I meant to say. And so there needs to be some sort of correction, some profit taking somewhere along the line. Just keep your eyes open. Don't be surprised if we have one of those days coming up anytime soon. So in reference to today, let's quickly jump our analysis chart. And as we can see here, very interesting market as we see clear compression here. We are below the intraday. We are currently between the intraday high of yesterday's session and the intraday low. We're currently broke below it several times, but we could not hold support. So right now, what are we expecting? What we're hoping to see? It's clearly a break above this area, hold support, and continue going higher. Break below here, the test is going to be right here. Is the market going to hold here? If we have a lower low, then apparently we can come retest these areas here. So look at the market in these terms. This is our support. Here is our current resistance. So the market is downtrending. Now it's consolidating, trying to find direction here. So those are the scenarios that we're looking for today. Of course, the retest of this area here, expecting a retest, maybe a breakthrough, and expecting more continuation to the upside. The break here, the test here is going to be key. Is it going to hold support? If it doesn't hold support, we're looking for shorts to this level here. If the market breaks above this, we have all of this area for potential targets for our long. So that's what we're looking for. We're trying to stay away from this chop area here. We're just looking for confirmation in either direction. Have a great trading session. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.